welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to learn about arrays and for each loop. So I'll tell you what array is, then for each loop. For each loop is just sort of like for. I'll show you. Okay, now so what's an array? We'll quickly create a package called array and for each loop, and we're going to learn about array lists in the next session. It's just literally like array, but way better. But you might be saying, yo, why do we need to learn arrays then? I don't know. If people ask you, what you're going to tell them? I learned array lists. Like I understood advanced, but I didn't know the concept of the basic. It'll be a bit awkward, right? So yeah, arrays and okay. Control 3. I'm on the view now. Okay, it's on this view. Or was it already on the view? Okay, whatever. I just came in. I right-clicked. Started creating a package. Okay, arrays and for each. For each. Okay, you can put capitals there. I forgot. New class. We're gonna name this arrays. See, why is it not saying an array when we're writing an arrays? Because arrays is not a keyword, right? It's not a keyword. You understand what I'm talking about in a second. Okay. Nice. We're in this. I forgot to select public main thing. Public void main. Okay. Full space. Main method. Let's get it. Nice. So, how is an array written? What is it used for? I'll tell you how it's written first. Okay. You know how the data type string, I told you I was going to teach about arrays, non-primitive. This is a lesson where we're learning arrays now. Okay. So, you can write any sort of data types. We learned character. We didn't learn character because I didn't want to teach you that, which I'll teach you in the next lesson. Characters, int, boolean, byte, any. Okay, you just write that down. For example, I'm taking an int here. Okay, I took an int, but you need especially for an array is you need square brackets. Square brackets. Okay, square brackets. Then you give the name as normal. I don't know. I'm going to keep I equal to. Was it equal to? We just normally write 10, 20 or something. But no, here we give the values in brackets, curly brackets. So you should have understood the point of arrays till now. If you didn't, arrays are used to store multiple values. The arrays are not always used, but sometimes they're critically in need. And arrays can't perform very neat, so that's why they brought the concept of array lists. Let's not get into that part right now, but let's understand how this works. You just write a number 1, okay? I put a comma. To write another value, you put a comma, okay? Now, you put a 2. No, you can put any value. I'm just putting 1, 2. I'm going to put 4 here, okay? You can put multiple values, n number of values, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write infinite number of values inside these brackets, for bracket, and write it. I mean, comma, not bracket. Okay. Now, for each I've written everything nice. How do I print it out? Okay. we need to understand the concept of indexing. It's not complicated at all. Java indexes stuff from 0 to infinity. Okay, 0. So what is this one's index value? It is 0. Why? Index value, just saying, some people, I don't know, some people get confused, but 1, it doesn't matter on the number, the index, it doesn't change. It's just critically written like this. I'll show you. And that's 0, okay? That's a 1. That's a 2. 2. Okay? It just goes like that. Then if you have a number rather than 4, you have another number, 3, 4, and so on. Hopefully you understood the indexing thing. Nice. Now, how do you print it out? SY, SY, SO. Now, you just give the I, the variable name, you give the variable name, I, you put square brackets, and you give the value of the index, what index you want to print. Maybe you have a requirement to print some particular index. Okay, you want to print index 1. What do you think you're going to get index 1? You're going to get 2, because you might be wondering why it's not 1. I just told you, but you might be. Okay, why? Because this index value is 0, 1, 2. Okay, you print it, save and print it. You get 2. Okay, nice. You get 2. You put 2, you get 4. Okay, now I'll just show you something. Purposely I'll do this. I'll put 3. What am I gonna get? Nothing. Nothing, literally, because 0, 1. Oh, sorry. Just move places. 1, 2. No, it doesn't go 1, 2, right? It goes 0, 1, 2. Where's 3? There's no 3. So you're gonna get an error. This is totally expected, so don't worry about that. So that's how it's done. You put 5, you put 10, you put million, you still get that error because there is no other value. Unless you put 5 there. You just wanted to put 5. Nice. Save it and run it. You get 5. No error. Gone. Good. Okay, that's how it's written. Now, you might be saying, Haavish, I want to print this whole thing out. I don't want to use system.out.println. How do you do it? We learned this concept. We use for loop to print multiple stuff, right? It's really helpful in this part. You can write for, and we already used int I, so we're going to use int j. 1 second, I'm going to do that. Int j is equal to 0, okay? Int j is equal to 0. Now, j should be less than or greater than? J should be less than, less than. J should be less than the amount of this number, right? We can't count all these numbers like the index, right? We want it dynamically come out somehow. Because you have some big number, your guy didn't tell you, you just copied it from somewhere. You don't know the number, they didn't give in the documentation, they didn't tell you. Now you can't start counting, right? There might be like this whole row. You can't start counting. So there's a method. I dot length. Yep, I length. Okay, now you just print I length once. Actually, let's not. j plus plus. Okay, you only get this dot length thing for arrays, I guess. I never tried it with normal ones. Of course, you can try it out. You can check, explore. Now, I write SYSO, control space, I, square brackets, square brackets, J. Why do you think I'm doing this? Why do you think I'm doing this? I'm doing this because I can print the value of J. What's the value of J? If it's 0, then you print 0. I mean, not the index 0, which is 1. And when it increases to like 1, then you get output 2, right? Smart way. There's an easier way, I'll tell you that in this lesson, but let's just follow this one first, okay? I think we're gonna get something messed up. Yes. No, we're not gonna get something messed up. Yep, that was a messing up thing because we already started printing out 1, right? Now, you just ignore this 5 or just print it again. What are you getting? 1, 2, 4, and 5. Nice. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Nice. Okay. So, if you don't put the pluses this side, hopefully this is still applicable in this Java version. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing like that. Okay. Okay. In like Java 6, I guess, or 7, there used to be this concept of you can put pluses this side, then something happens, pluses that side, then something happens. No, that was concept of Java 8. I guess we are using Java 8. Okay, why is that concept not working? I know, we need to check that. Okay, nice, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, and 5. So we printed out the whole thing, just in case if you want to double check. Oh, no. Can put some random value. You don't need to put one digit, you can put some digits until it crosses unless it crosses the int, level. See, you getting that. Nice. Whoa. Okay. Nice. So, there's an easier way, right? How do you print it in the easier way? And you don't need to write each. You just write brackets. No, you need, brackets and curly brackets, just as normal. But now you declare the same data type as top, but not I, of course. Int j. I'm using j. You can use anything. It's your wish. Int j. Okay, it's already declared because we write in j and it's declared. Int j. Int j colon is equal to I. And now you can say SYSO control space. Do you need the square brackets? I guess no. Okay. Now print I square brackets J. I guess you can get the value. Out of bond? What? Why is it out of bond? Is it too big? Okay, I guess it is. Sorry, there's something really wrong. I don't understand. Printing 244. Okay, I did something wrong, I guess. Let's just quickly go and check. Yeah, clearly did something really wrong. No, not for loop, man. Sorry, guys. Let's just see. Yeah, type variable array name. That's what I gave. Oh yeah, you can just give the value. You don't need to give all of this. Sorry, really sorry. J. Because basically what's happening in the background is, you know, J is calling I and telling it, yo, give me the first value. Okay, I'll take it. I'll do something with it. You don't care about it. Then it'll come back. I'll come back to you. Give me a second value. Then give it. Or you can also say, give me the 0th value 1. Give me the first value 2. Give me the third value 4, and so on. Okay. You just print J, then you get the correct stuff. C 1 2 4 5 4 4 6 4. Nice. Okay, so you got the array printed out. Maybe you don't want println and you want a space to separate it. Let's say plus space and a comma if you really need to. And you can also put a space here. Okay, and run. So you get two like this without the breakpoint. And that's what you can do with this. Really nice, right? Okay, I guess that's it for this video. Yeah, did you do the assignment yesterday? Because I'm going to teach you I'm going to tell you how you do the assignment today, yesterday's assignment. What did I give you? I gave you the January to December thing, switch case, and I guess let's actually go and check. I'm really confused as well. Okay. Um, this was the last video. Sorry. Not print out the month. If I'll show you the thing again, just in case. March, use for loop. Forget about for loop. So I just see the next. Oh no. Months. So there should be 12 cases. I guess you were shouting at me. Oh yeah, I remember. For loop, you use for loop to print 10 to 1. Okay, I'll do those quickly. Let's go all loops and say new. Assignment. I'll just put it as I don't want to waste time. Okay. Nice. Good. So how did you do that? I think you already did that and came here. Just have a go if if you like can't even understand, just try to have a go. No, then just come and listen to me. Okay, so how do you do this? Let's do it with a for loop first. Okay, int I is equal to 10. Okay, int I is equal to 10, not 0, because we're decreasing from 10 to 0, right? That's how it's done. Now, then, we say int I should be bigger than 0. Of course, it is less than, I guess. Yeah, less than or equal to, I guess. Yeah, less than or equal to. And we say I minus minus, not plus plus, I minus minus, SYSR. It's a really simple project. Everyone gives you this project. Like if you're like when you're starting off, everyone does. I guess we're gonna get 10 to 0. Okay. Maybe. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. You don't want 0, you just remove the equal to. You get it. See, 10 to 1. Nice. Okay, we done that for each for loop. Let's just comment it out. On Eclipse, you can literally go and say control. You just select the whole part and say control and the slash forward slash. I guess that's forward slash. Yeah. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to do with the while loop. Hopefully, you understood the concept I taught yesterday. Questions ask me, yeah, it's annoying, right? The comments are getting turned off. I'm not turning them off on purpose. When the YouTube thing sees the kid's face, it just turns it off for some reason. It's really annoying. Use the blog section. I'll give you the link in description, so check it out. Okay, I'll do with while loop. I is not used, so we can declare entire because we commented out. If commented out, it just only the user can see it. The compiler can't, so that means int I is not declared. Int I is equal to 10. Okay, I 0. Nice. Now we say I minus minus, and we need that SYS high. We should hopefully get the answer. Okay. Yeah. Let's just remove the minus minus here. Paste. Nice. This will work. Sorry. 10 to 1. Nice. Good. Let's comment this out as well. Okay, we'll comment this out and okay. Comment. 1 second, I'll just pause and come back. Yeah, hopefully start the recording again. Nice. Let's finish it off. Okay. There's nothing you can do with dual. This. Okay, let's try to do it at least with dual. Copy the same code. I'll just remove this comment stuff. It's gone. We need to declare int I. There's some people hesitate to copy and paste because they want to get it hands-on, but don't. Okay, you just do the brackets and end it like normal. Sorry. Okay, here. I should be here. Okay, now you just print it, you get the answer. Actually, you won't. You get 10 above over here. I guess you can put the system.out.println down and it'll work. I don't know. Hopefully it will. Okay. Yeah, 987. You won't get the 10 somehow. You can change it back to like normal again. You can't pretty much do stuff with do while you can, but there's no point of it. So you always, if you want to use it, you want to use it. And I guess it's the end. Is it? Yep, it is. So bye guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to the next video.
Please do like, share and subscribe.